Good morning, people. My name is Larry. I just want to first and foremost, I'd like to thank Saad Ali for what he's put together. This is a great opportunity just to learn the basics of Forex. And again, thank you, Saad Ali, for taking your time to give this to people. You're definitely a blessing. But I want to talk about my journey before I found out about Saad Ali. I got in an academy, and I wasn't gaining anything. It was about getting my money, me recruiting for them, and it was just a bad experience. But I don't know how I know how I found Saad Ali. I saw a video on YouTube. I subscribed to the channel, and then I ran across this, his course. And I said to myself, it's going to be, just like the rest of them. It was about money, and, it said free, but I thought it was going to be about money, but it actually wasn't. I've learned so much, looking at these modules, things I knew nothing about, and things that, they weren't showing me when I was in IM Academy. Forex Beginners has been truly a blessing. I've learned things like support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, trend lines, channels, even about, the mindset of a trader. I knew nothing about TradingView until, these modules. I just thought everything was done on, MetaTrader 4. But it's been a very moving experience for me. I can see me moving forward on my Forex journey, all because of, Saad Ali. I'd like to thank you. This is a great thing you're doing. Continue to help people. You've truly been a blessing. And if I had to do all over again, I'd do it this way. So thank you, Saad, for all you do. And I'm going to say it in my Saad Ali voice. Hey, Forex family. Thank you, Saad. I appreciate you. Y'all have a good day.